The XINDELL Windshield Cleaner tool promises effortless car window cleaning, and I'm here to put it to the test. This kit includes an extendable handle, a pivoting head, and 4 microfiber cleaning pads. The extendable handle is a real game changer, allowing you to reach across the entire windshield without straining. The pivoting head is also key, as it conforms to the curvature of the glass for full contact and a streak-free finish. No more struggling with traditional window cleaners or awkwardly reaching across the dashboard. The microfiber pads are washable and reusable, which is a big plus for eco-consciousness in your wallet. They attach easily to the cleaning head with a simple hook and loop system. XINDELL recommends using a dry or slightly damp pad for interior cleaning and a damp pad with a bit of glass cleaner for exterior cleaning. I found this advice spot on. The interior cleaning was a breeze, quickly removing dust, fingerprints, and dog nose smudges. For the exterior, a little bit of glass cleaner on the pad easily tackled bug splatters and road grime. One of the standout features is the tool's versatility. While designed for car windshields, it works equally well on other car windows, truck windows, SUVs, RVs, and even home windows. The 180-degree swivel head makes it easy to maneuver around tight corners and awkward angles. The handle is comfortable to grip, even during extended cleaning sessions. The entire tool feels sturdy and well-made, suggesting it will hold up over time. Overall, the XINDELL Windshield Cleaner tool delivers on its promise of effortless cleaning. It's a simple yet effective tool that makes a tedious chore much easier. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to keep your car windows sparkling clean, this tool is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.